Hello friends, I am Dr. Indu Bansal Agarwal, Director Radiation Oncology, Narayana Super Speciality Hospital, Gurugram. Today I am going to talk to you about vestibular schwannoma. Vestibular schwannoma is nothing but it's a benign tumor, which means it's a non-cancerous tumor of the inner ear. It's a tumor of the eighth nerve. So basically what happens is that in this tumor, the patient may have symptoms like tinnitus, like ringing in the ear, ringing of bells in the ear. They may have problems of deafness, vertigo, or problems in balance. So this happens because of involvement of the eighth nerve, which supplies the inner ear. And there are various ways to check it. This tumor can happen in any age group, and in this tumor this is detected by by spatial MRI sequences of the inner ear, and then depending on the grade of the vestibular schwannoma, treatment is done. So the treatment is either surgery or radiosurgery, or means radiation. So certain patients need surgery, but if it can also be treated by non-surgical methods like radiosurgery, which is a very specialized technique of radiation in which we give highly focused radiation either with a gamma knife or X knives, say linear accelerators, or say true beam, or by cyber knife, and give highly focused radiation to the tumor, only to the tumor, which eradicates the tumor, but at the same time we are able to spare the cochlea, the modulus, and the nerves which are in that area. If the damage which has already happened may not recover, but still it can prevent further hearing loss, and we can check that by a pure tone audiometry. It's a slow growing tumor. Radiosurgery is an OPD procedure. It's a painless procedure, and in only 3 to 5 sittings of radiation, depending on the tumor size, tumor can be eradicated and a person can be completely cured. So please consult a radiation oncologist as well as a neurosurgeon or your ENT specialist before you decide for your further treatment. So please don't worry, get yourself checked and get treated and lead an absolutely normal and happy life. Thank you.